Hi everyone, and welcome to the chat room with myself, Laura Short, and my colleague John Mullen.
Hi folks.
So today we just wanted to cover kind of a new topic really, but it's basically come from various questions that you get asked when you're doing the energy brokerage.
Yes.
And of course, a lot of people automatically think energy brokerage, that's gas, that's electric. But
what about the water?
Yes, you're getting asked this more and more, aren't you?
Yes.
And so we just wanted to highlight the fact that obviously water is a utility and it is something that we can look at to reduce for you.
Yes, specifically, whenever I've been talking to care homes, it's a big factor. It's a big usage. Yes, it might not be as expensive as electricity and gas, but it's still quite a substantial sum of money. So it's just trying to manage that cost.
Yeah, and I think not everybody will be aware that water has now been deregulated, so you don't just have to have your local supplier anymore.
Yes, you can buy it from any of the national companies. And yes, it's supplied through the pipes for your local area, but you can actually buy it. And there is competition. Might not be big competition, but you can still save money. But on the other side of the coin, it's always useful to check out the details that they have for you. Because quite often, if you're not on a water meter, they will allocate a plot of land. And
it's not always right.
Not always right, no. And then whenever it comes to water meters, can you do something to reduce your usage? One of the care homes which we're involved with have actually put in a rainwater collection tank on their roof. And that now flushes all of the toilets. Yeah. So that probably gets rid of at least a third of the cost.
Yeah, and one thing we don't ever want to do is to encourage our clients to compromise on the quality of their care. But what we can do is point out options where you can reduce, such as grey water harvesting, such as not continually running taps whilst you're doing washing, or
picking the right tap for the right job, because there's so many different taps which are available now, and some of them will use a quarter of the amount of water.
Yeah. Not keeping taps running while you're prepping vegetables for meals, or using too much water in your cleaning down processes. Have a dosing system so you're only using so many chemicals that don't need as much water.
Or your water boilers.
So we're definitely not emphasizing in any way to compromise on care and quality, but what we are emphasizing on is efficiency and making sure that you're getting the most for your money.
Yes, and again, it has to fit your issues, your problems. So we can show you a whole list of solutions, and maybe only 20% of those are the right thing for you. But it's making the right decisions for you.
Yeah. So get in touch if you want to have a chat with us about reducing your water consumption along with your other utilities. Just email us on the link below and we'll get back in touch.
Speak to you soon.
Speak to you soon. Bye.
Bye.